Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Los Angeles English. I'm your host, Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you want to improve your English in a simple, clear, and fun way, you're in the right place. Today's topic is one of the most important basics in English, the present simple tense. Yes, it sounds easy, but many learners still make mistakes with it. So don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll understand it clearly and use it confidently. Part 1. What is present simple? Let's start with the basics. The present simple tense is used to talk about daily routines, habits, general facts, things that are always true. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. She drinks coffee every morning. The sun rises in the east. Simple, right? Part 2. Structure of present simple. Now let's look at how we form sentences. For most subjects, we use the base form of the verb. I work, you play, we study, they eat. But here's the important part. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. Examples: he works, she plays, it rains. Let's try a few more. She watches TV, he goes to school, it runs fast. So remember, he, she, it equals verb plus ses. Part 3. Negative sentences. Now let's talk about negative sentences. We use do not, don't, does not, doesn't. Structure: subject plus do, does, plus not, plus base verb. Examples: I do not like coffee, you don't understand. She does not work here, he doesn't eat meat. Notice something? Even with he, she, it, the verb goes back to base form after does. S, he doesn't works, S, he doesn't work. Part 4. Questions in present simple. Now let's learn how to ask questions. We use do and does at the beginning. Do plus subject plus base verb, does plus subject plus base verb. Examples: do you like pizza? Do they play football? Does she work here? Does he drive fast? Short answers: yes, I do, no, I don't. Yes, she does, no, she doesn't. Part 5. Daily life examples. Let's make this practical. Here's my daily routine using present simple. I wake up at 7 a.m., I drink coffee, I check my emails, I record videos for you, I read books in the evening. Now with she. She wakes up at 7 a.m. She drinks coffee, she checks her phone. See the difference? That S again. Part 6. Common mistakes. Let's fix some common mistakes learners make. S, she go to school. S, she goes to school. S, he doesn't like tea. S, he doesn't like tea. S, does she works here? S, does she work here? So always remember, add ses in positive sentences, he, she, it. Use base verb after does. Part 7. Quick practice. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence, you repeat after me. I eat breakfast every day. She eats breakfast every day. They play football. He plays football. Do you like coffee? Does she like coffee? Great job. Keep practicing like this every day. Part 8. Real-life conversation. Let's imagine a short conversation. Person A: what do you do every morning? Person B: I wake up early and go for a walk. Person A: do you drink coffee? Person B: yes, I do. I drink coffee every day. Person A: does your friend join you? Person B: no, he doesn't. He sleeps late. This is how we use present simple in real life. Part 9. Pro tip. Here's a helpful tip. Use time expressions with present simple. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day. Examples: I always study at night. She usually drinks tea. He never eats junk food. These words make your English more natural. Outro. All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode. Now you know what present simple is, how to form sentences, how to make questions in negatives, and how to use it in real life. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, comment your example sentences, and subscribe to Los Angeles English for more lessons. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay confident.